In today's video, I'll show you the settings where you can add the SKU value to a simple product in WooCommerce. For this example, here's the computer desk product on my site, and just under the Add to Cart button, there's an SKU field, but as you can see, the value is missing. So to add one, first we'll log into WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on Products, then select All Products. Right in here, look for the product in question. In my case is this one, computer desk, then select Edit. Once the product editor loads, at the top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then set the checkmark for product data. Now scroll a bit down, look for the product data section, and then select Inventory. And here's the SKU field, as in my case, let me add a sample value. Let's type CD-001, then scroll all the way to the top, and then click on Update. Once the product was updated, go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, the SKU value is now displayed right here. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please come my channel. Thank you.